Hello. Hi. Hello.
Anne thought she owned her home, but her two parrots recently decided she's sleeping on the floor instead. Anne has a bird named Vonnegut, and his personality is truly something special. Everything about him is just wonderful. No matter what Anne is doing, he wants to be right in the middle of it. If she is working on a project, he is right there watching with total curiosity. He acts like everything she does is the coolest thing he has ever seen. Vonnegut is so gentle, so positive, and so enthusiastic. Anne often calls him her little hype bird. In his own mind, he honestly thinks he is a human.
You have fun? You want more? Alright, ready?
When Vonnegut turned 6 years old, Anne noticed he was becoming quite distressed whenever she had to leave the house. He was lonely. To help him, Anne decided to bring home another bird named Sheila.
Hey! Oh, we definitely... Oh, thank you!
When they first met, Sheila was just a tiny thing. Anne had her wrapped up snugly in a small towel. She was so quiet and still. Vonnegut didn't hesitate for a second. He went straight over to her and gave her a sweet kiss right on the head.
You're gonna eat, Vonnie.
From that very first day, Vonnegut has been the sweetest pie you could imagine. Sheila, on the other hand, is his exact opposite. Her philosophy is simple. If something is bigger than her, she wants to push it over. If a task looks difficult, she wants to figure it out. She loves to pull things apart just to see how they work. Whenever Vonnegut has something, Sheila decides she wants it too. She is very dominant, while he remains gentle and submissive. It is a strange, funny relationship, but it works for them.
Yeah, put it away. Good boy!
This past year was a big one for Sheila. It was her first year as a mature female during the breeding season, and she was absolutely determined to build a nest. Sheila decided in her stubborn way that she was going to nest right under Anne's bed. To find a solution, Anne put a nice box on top of the bed instead. Sheila ignored it for a full week. Eventually, she accepted the box, but she would still go back to her cage at night. However, once she actually laid some eggs, she refused to leave that box for anything. Because Sheila was so protective, the box had to stay right next to the bed. The birds kept waking Anne and her partner up all through the night. Now, Anne and her partner sleep on a mattress on the floor in their spare room. The birds are the ones who set the daily routine. They decide what happens and when it happens.
Bye. Good boy. Oh, did you try one, Sheila? Good girl. You can have that because you tried.
both birds absolutely love taking a shower. Sheila has a specific routine where she takes a bath in the sink and then immediately hops back into the shower for more. It is a daily highlight for everyone.
What are you doing, Sheila? Oh, would you like a bath, darling? Hang on. Hang on.
Anne knows that parrots live very long lives. Indian ringnecks can live for 30 years, and larger parrots can even reach 90. People often mistakenly think birds are easy pets that just sit in a cage eating seeds. Through her journey, Anne has learned they are incredibly intelligent. They are like permanent 3 to 5-year-old children who never grow up. This realization led Anne to write a guide on Facebook about living with parrots. She wanted to share the mistakes she made and the lessons she learned over time. Despite the challenges, she finds it all so worth it. Sheila and Vonnegut bring so much reward to her life every single day.
Sheila. Oh. Sheila, don't hog it. Keep trying, Bonnie.
Living with these beautiful creatures is a journey of patience and deep love. If you are considering adopting a special animal, please do your research first. Understand their emotional world and ensure you can provide a forever home. If this story touched your heart, please like and share this video to help others learn. Together, we can make the world a kinder place for all living things.
Alright, ready? Are you ready?
Wish Pause is built on real connections and honest moments, always sourced responsibly and credited with respect. Through thoughtful editing, moving music, and genuine visuals, we strive to make every story breathe. Your support inspires us. We look forward to bringing you our next meaningful narrative.